In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Squarespace template. If you've noticed that your site no longer lets you swap templates directly, you're not imagining it. With the current Squarespace update, you can't replace the template on an existing site. Instead, the correct way to change your template is to create a brand new website that starts with the design you want and then customize it. I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon to open your account home. From there, select Create Website. This begins a fresh site that won't affect your existing one, so your live site stays exactly as it is while you explore new designs. You'll be asked to choose a category to help filter the recommendations. Pick something that's close to your needs. Art is a good example if you're showcasing visuals, but choose whatever best fits your project. Don't worry, this choice only influences suggestions, it doesn't lock you in. Next, you'll see a couple of quick prompts. Click Next to move through them. These questions help Squarespace recommend templates based on your goals and content type, but they don't change any settings you can't adjust later, so feel free to breeze through. When you reach the template selection screen, click Choose a template to open the full library. Now browse. Take your time to preview designs, scroll through demo pages, and check the navigation, homepage layout, and gallery styles. Think about the types of pages you need, like a portfolio, blog, or store, and how the template handles mobile layouts. You can filter by topics such as art and design to narrow the options. When you've found a design that matches your vision, open it and click Start with this design. Squarespace will spin up a new site using that template, complete with demo content you can replace. Your original site remains untouched, which is great for working safely. From here, you'll customize the new site. A helpful tip is to keep your current site open in another tab so you can copy text, images, and page structures as needed. You can rebuild pages section by section, reuse your branding, and adjust styles in the design panel. Only connect your domain or change billing once you're happy with the new build, so visitors keep seeing your existing site until you're ready to switch. And that's it. Since you can't swap templates on an existing site, you effectively change templates by creating a new website, filtering recommendations, reviewing options, and starting with the design you like.